Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. And the other day I picked up this case on Amazon for my Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it was a $13 case with a 10% coupon. So I didn't expect much. I wasn't planning on making a video. It does have built-in camera protectors for the three main cameras over here. So it does cover those. These are not covered, but they are flush with the case or slightly recessed, so they are kind of protected. But my main thing about this case was I was not expecting this magnet here to work with Qi2, because the other cases I have, like Poetic and stuff like that from more reputable brands, do not work with Qi2. So I wasn't really expecting a $13 Amazon case to be Qi2 compatible. It doesn't mention it in the description. It just says it has compatible with MagSafe. The brand of this is the Lekevo. It's just one of those, cheapy ones on Amazon. But to my surprise, I put this on my Anchor charger last night, and I was getting 15 watts of wireless charging. So it does in fact support Qi2, which is pretty cool. It's nothing really to write home about case-wise. It does have a little spot over here. If you want to put a lanyard through it, you can. It's just a kind of slim TPU case. It is a, flexible kind of TPU style. It's not a hard plastic. But if you're looking for something under 15 bucks, and you want to use Qi2 on the magnet, then this case works just fine. So I'll put a link to it in the description below. You guys can check it out for yourself. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and have a great day.